I'm going to show you how you can fix any general iPhone overheating problem. So the first way you should fix this is that you can go to settings, and then on settings you want to go back, and on settings here you want to go to general, and then on general, first off you want to make sure you want the software update, and then on the software update you want to make sure you're up to date, because with the newer iOS version, obviously the iPhone will get more optimized along with it as well. So you want to make sure you're on the latest iOS update. The next one is that you actually want to turn off automatic updates, because when you turn on automatic updates, then that means iOS update will be downloaded on the background, and that could take up a couple of your system resources. So turn these off like this, right? So turn all of these off. Now, once that's done, you want to go back on the settings here. You want to make sure your actual brightness here isn't that bright, right? Now, after that's done, you can also try battery saver. So if you don't know how to get to battery saver, if you hold down like this, you want to tap on auto control, and then on auto control, you want to find low power mode like this. And then you just want to turn this on like this. And then you can see it'll just make your iPhone really efficient. So it'll make your iPhone overheat much less. After that's done, you also want to swipe up like this, and then you want to close any background apps that might be interfering with your iPhone. So now your iPhone should be free of any background processes, and then that should help significantly in your iPhone's battery and especially in the overheating part of your iPhone.